Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see ano yung energies na inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances, ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see Capricorn. Ano ang energy ng inyong kaperahan? Money, career. Oh, wow! Ang ganda. Meron kayong reward. Ito na, i-reward na kayo ng inyong hard work, ng inyong patience. 'Di ba? Sa inyong career, sa business nyo. Nakikita nyo na yung resulta ng pinagpaguran nyo. You also have faith. Faith on the things that you are doing right now in your career. May paniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, abilidad mo, na makukuha mo yung gusto mo. You are also aligning yourself. You are aligning yourself to your career na talagang rewarding para sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo rito, itong career path ninyo, whether this is business or job opportunity, ito talaga yung expertise ninyo. Maaring darating yan ngayong September, or magkakaroon ka ng confirmation na this is your path. This is the career or the job or the business that gusto mo talaga. Okay, overall energy, 4 of Cups. May mga times na parang kina-question mo yung sarili mo, are you doing your best? Like, are you on the right path? Kasi meron dito, minsan you feel like may discontentment sa situation, na meron kang mga gusto pang i-improve sa sarili mo. But sometimes you become too hard on yourself, na you want more, pero ikaw rin yung nagsasuffer. So, this is also about meditating on what you really have right now. Being grateful. Now, your challenge is the King of Pentacles. I think kasi masyadong malaki rin yung expectations mo sa sarili mo. Oo. Na gusto mo agad makita yung rewards, or gusto mo agad na magbunga yung mga nasimulan mo. But definitely, it's telling me na yes, magbubunga ito, but with structure, with discipline, 'di ba? Effort. Now, your blessing is blessing. This is your opportunity, the 4 of Swords. So, meron ka opportunity na magpahinga. Lalo na kung lagi kang pagod. Okay? So, September is a month for you wherein mas marami kang pagkakataon na makapag-meditate, to have time for yourself. It's recovery. Lalo na kung ikaw ay nagkaroon ng sakit, no, ng mga nakaraan. Now, your blessing is Hermit. O, ayan, no, retreat. Pinagpapahinga ka talaga, Capricorn. And this is your way to have this awakening. I think part ng major awakening mo ngayon is you are aligning yourself. The reason why meron kang realization of what you really want for your career or business, yung gusto mong i-pursue. Kasi ina-align mo na yung sarili mo doon sa talagang purpose mo. Doon sa talagang destiny mo. You also have the support that you need, no? This can be your community, the people who believes in you. It's time to get into business. So, kung yung iba sa inyo rito naghahanap ng sign, ito na yung sign na magnegosyo kayo. You are ready to take the challenge and be your own boss. So, mga boss naman talaga yung Capricorn. Oh my God! Tinan mo, you are facing your future with excitement as you follow your dreams and embracing your passions. You are now directed to your life's purpose. Diba? Yan rin yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Na you are aligning yourself to your purpose. Kaya marirealize mo na, okay, meron mang mga bagay na wala na sa'yo or hindi mo na ginagawa ngayon sa career mo. It's because ina-align ka dun talaga sa purpose mo. And also yung career mo, trabaho mo, mas magiging flexible. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, work from home, o kaya you are your own boss, no? Ikaw ay self-employed. Also have, career advancement. You will seek opportunities for growth in your career. So, yung iba, may upgrade ng trabaho ng career ninyo, i-update nyo yung skill set nyo, yung abilities nyo. Maaaring may bago kayong a-applyan, may transition ng industry na papasukan nyo. Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. Yan, yung inyong perception, yung inyong instinct, intuition will guide you through in making decisions. And then inherent wisdom is emerging at this time. Watch it and ready yourself for a rebirth. O, diba? This is a brand new you. Part ng alignment mo is transformation and rebirth. And yung wisdom na yan, ma-acquire mo yan or na-acquire mo yan over the years dahil sa mga experiences mo. 'Di ba? And now you're using it to advance in your career. So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.